In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Planoly for Instagram. Starting with Planoly can feel a bit daunting, but I assure you it's a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their Instagram content planning and posting. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to Planoly's homepage. Planoly is this fantastic tool that acts as both a planner and management powerhouse for your social media content, specifically designed with Instagram in mind. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button. It's important not to rush, just hover over the login button so that you can get a feel for the site's interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. After you've familiarized yourself with the homepage, the next step is to click on Social Planner. This is where the real magic begins. The Social Planner feature allows you to visualize your Instagram feed before anything goes live. It's an incredibly useful tool for ensuring that your feed maintains the aesthetic that you're aiming for. Now we move on to logging in. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to fill out some basic information. Rest assured the process is quick and straightforward. Once you've input your details, hit login, and we're off to the races. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Planoly, the social content planner. Here's where you start getting into the nitty-gritty of planning your Instagram content. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, showcasing various features that Planoly offers. The next step is crucial. Click on New Post. This button is your first step towards creating new content for your Instagram. Whether you plan on uploading a new image, a carousel, or even a video, this is where it all begins. This brings us to Select Channels. For this tutorial, we are focusing on Instagram, so go ahead and select Instagram from the options presented. This ensures that whatever content you're planning will be published to the correct platform. Now, one of my favorite features of Planoly is the ability to select a specific date and time for your post to go live. This is incredibly helpful for those looking to maintain a consistent posting schedule. By planning your posts in advance, you ensure that your content reaches your audience at the optimal time. Choosing what type of post you're going to create is next. You have options like grid post, which are your standard Instagram posts. But for now, let's focus on creating a story. Stories are a fantastic way to engage with your audience in a more informal and instantaneous manner. After deciding on the type of post, it's time to add your content. Planoly makes this easy with its drag and drop feature. Simply drag your chosen file, whether it's an image or a video, into the designated area. Remember, compelling visuals are key to capturing your audience's attention. Double check to ensure that the auto post option is enabled. This feature is a lifesaver, allowing your content to go live at the scheduled time without any further action required on your part. It's perfect for those times when you're unable to manually post due to other commitments. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, hit Schedule. This will lock in your post for the selected date and time, and voila, you've successfully scheduled a post using Planoly. In conclusion, Planoly is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to take their Instagram game to the next level. It simplifies the process of content planning and scheduling, making it easier for you to maintain a consistent and engaging presence on one of the world's leading social media platforms. Play around with the various features, experiment with your content, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your Instagram feed will thank you for it.